And off the mark, the first ball, Madushka and the Lankan Lions. Inside edge. And the first boundary, streaky. Oh, this is what we've come to expect from Ripon Mondal. Goes high and mighty. A hammer blow by Halambage to end the first. Goes for the hoik towards deep square leg. Didn't go towards the intended target. Beautifully timed. As sweet as chocolate. Big appeal. Big appeal. It had to be gone. And Abu Haider strikes.
Abu Haider providing that early breakthrough. Hit him in the back leg. Was dead plumb. No confusions whatsoever for Mahmood Khan to raise his finger. Abu Haider strikes for Bangladesh A. Sri Lanka A lost their first wicket. Nishan Madushka departed after scoring 9. Sri Lanka A 22 for 1.
Wide-ish, bottom hand. What a catch! Jishan! A ripper! And Abu Haider in 1 over has swayed the start in Bangladesh A's favour.
Trying to play away from the body. Hit him in the toe end of the bat. Jishan Alam, son of former Bangladesh wicket-keeper Jahangir Alam, will be very proud watching this.
But today he's made out of different gravy. Beats the bat once more. Mid-on showcasing interest. Just falls short of him. This is a close call once more. Pitching outside leg perhaps. The only grace. Graceful. Statuesque in his pose. Novanito Fernando.
Went through with the shot. This is brilliant. Sweet part of the bat. Hold the post, son. Enjoy the shot.
Just a boundary check. He says it's a maximum. A lot relies on him and he's living up to the expectations.
Akibul, short, Cruz Pulley, and he puts it over mid-wicket. That's an excellent hit. On a slow serve, it has to be slightly shorter. That's much better. What a delivery. A dream delivery for a left-arm spinner. Without drift, pitch, turn, and knock the off-stump back.
Have a look at this again. Coming in bold, wide of the crease, and just straightening enough to hit the off-stump.
Stay in the competition. Oh, close. Close. Close, and given. Thought for a second, Novanito Fernando with no fielder at mid-wicket. Try to work a straight delivery towards mid-wicket.
I'm with you, Parvez. No doubt about this one. That's a lazy stroke, a straightforward ball. Nothing that the pitch did, nothing that the ball did. Just the batter alone was enough for his own destruction.
Outside edge, and goes for a boundary. Fine leg in the circle, asking for trouble when you're bowling round the wicket. And back-to-back boundaries for Sahanara Chige. Ball. At least 2, maybe 4. Ankon does the fielding. Coming back for the 3rd run. And this good communication among Ramesh and Sahanara Chige.
Consolidate.
He tries to go big. Unlock the shackles. Shortish. Climbed upon, but there is a long on. They're taking on the fielder. Oh, This is where he needed to be Ronaldo-esque, not only in his celebration. Could have showed some footwork and kicked it towards the stumps. Big appeal by Abu Haider. Probably straying down leg. Goes for the extraordinary.
If you win the toss, you bat second, hoping that you'll be able to chase. That is what might just play. Oh, they take a quick single, and that's a direct hit. That's a run out. The partnership has been broken finally with some great work from Mehrob.
Kept his cool. And Mehrob had all three stumps to aim at. Ramesh Mendes has to go walking because Arachige left him stranded. Mehrob with the run out. 17 he made, 99 for 5.
And Dunit Lalage cracks it past short extra cover fielder. Yasir Ali. That's the mocking up from deep extra cover. Finds the gap behind square. That's a good shot.
Wasn't very happy when he was walking back.
And dropped it. That was a sitter.
When the batter edged it. What a shot! What a shot! On the legs!
In the air. Picks up the slower delivery and tonks it over mid-wicket. Dunit Lalage. Short in stature, but very powerful.
To the fall of wicket after that partnership. Very positive. Very positive. Another boundary.
India mid-off. Tracking back. And now thought for a second he had it under cover against Afghanistan, yet to come. Full toss. She should be out. Or does it land safely? It landed safely. Fielder at long on, I think it's Rakibul Hassan, did not pick it up. Yeah. Shot. Beautifully done by Sahana Arachige. With that boundary, brings up his half century of 42 deliveries. Half centurion in the last year's edition in the final against Afghanistan.
Side off stump.
Shot! Picks up the slower delivery, pumps it over mid-wicket. Sahana Arachige. He's turning things on here. Well done, Maninder Singh. Finally got it. That's a good shot. Holding for the photographer. Picks the slow ball up. What a hit. Nicely done, nicely done. Squeeze it passing the third man fielder. Nothing wrong with the delivery. I thought Abu Haider run is very unlucky, but he got to give it to Sahana Arachige. Be striking. Good shots just like that, but no timing. The fielder at short extra cover, backpedaling, but the fielder running in from sweeper cover. Yasir Ali says mine and takes a good catch.
52 runs partnership between these two of just 29 balls. That bat, yeah, that bat moved in the hand as well. And that is why probably he couldn't play it where he wanted to play it. But well done, boy. That was a good innings of 23 or 14 balls. 151 for... He had to pay the price for it.
Sahana Arachige, and it drops it. The fielder at deep mid-wicket never looked comfortable backpedaling.
They know this is a big total on this surface. Not giving speed to the batter, because of which he couldn't time it. But the fielder couldn't time it as well. These are the catches you got to take. The bowler disappointed there. Should be.
Last 18 ball, 48 runs. Oh, make it 19 balls. No. Deep mid-wicket fielder. This time, Jishan Alam, he makes amends. Thought for a second. Sahana Arachige got decent amount of bat. Not really.
This is the bigger part of the ground, because it's a corner pitch. So this is a bigger boundary. Eyes on the ball. Eyes on the ball all the time. The basic rule for catching, for fielding. And that is what Jishan does.
Jishan Alam, who dropped the previous one, takes a good one. Sahana Arachige, a valuable contribution, comes to an end of 69 of 49. Sri Lanka A, 158 for 7. Here comes Ripon. Last ball. Perfect Yorker. Runs the first one hard. And Ratnayaka has been sent back. And a very good finish by Ripon Mondal. Couple of wickets And also 9 runs from that over. Overall, I think Sri Lanka going into the break will be slightly happier side, considering where they were at the halfway mark.